Why is x greater than sine x? This is a very important question. So we're going to start with a scenario. So Brad and Cindy meet at a Ferris wheel. Cindy and Brad both start the ride at the same point, which is right here. But Cindy is going straight up, and Brad is moving along the Ferris wheel right here. While Cindy is also being lifted by a helium balloon. That's why she's going straight up and not going with Brad around the Ferris wheel. Cindy has moved Brad's arc length, but straight up. These trajections are very similar. Brad's height is sine x, while Cindy's height is x. When x is small, sine x increases almost as rapidly as x does. X has a slope of 1, so sine of x has a slope that is at most 1 and is close to 1 when x is small. The rate at which sine of x is increasing is not close to 1 for some larger x. Sine of x has a much smaller slope, such as when x is equal to 1, sine of x will be a little less than 1/2. So now, if you have a string of length x and wrap it around the circle, so if you put your string around this arc length, the end of the string will be at Brad's position. But if you pull it straight up, that would give you Cindy's position. So if you straighten it out, the height of the position is sine of x, and Cindy's height is x for x greater than 0. So when Cindy is moving upward, she is at a constant speed of 1. Brad's height is lower than Cindy's, but the rate of increase always will be dropping. So Cindy will continue moving straight up with the same speed. That doesn't change, but Brad's will be. So that is why x is greater than sine of x.